How to do italics on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to do italics on Discord. So, let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Discord app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Discord app. Once you have done that, simply open the Discord app and then choose the server or the person that you want to send a message to. So, once you're in a server, for example, like this one, let's just test first what is the normal text. So, for example, this one. Hit send, and as you can see, it is a normal text. If you want to have italics, make sure to type in the asterisk first, which is this symbol, and then the word that you want to italicize. And then, for example, you just want to type in hello, type in the asterisk on the end as well, and then send it. You can see it has been italicized now. So I think you may also type in a full sentence. My name is, yeah, for example, like this one. And then make sure to input again the asterisk. And as you can see now, the text has been italicized. So you may do it as well on the personal message or direct message like this one. So type in the asterisk and then the text and then asterisk once again, click on send, and then that's it. That's how you can do italics on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.